What's up, guys? Welcome back to the channel. My name is Churro. If you guys didn't know, right now it's 9:30 right now. I actually have to go pick up some transfer paper in order to do some decals. I already have some new stickers out onto the website, so if you guys want to check that out, the link in the description down below, or I'll leave the website link in this video somewhere. Yeah, go ahead and check it out. We got some new decals coming that I already have in stock, so if you guys want to purchase one, you guys could go ahead and purchase one. It'll help out the channel a lot. But there's a lot to do today. I actually have to go pick up the transfer paper right now. I need to put gas in my car, and when I get back home, I'm actually gonna wash the car because I do have a banner that I need to put in my windshield. And yeah, we have a busy day because I do have some messages on Facebook and to do some custom decals. So I gotta go ahead and get started, and we'll see how the day plays out. So let's head out. While I was filming inside, I went ahead and just turned on my 240 and let it warm up. We're at operating temperature, so we're good to go. And I do need to put gas because we're almost at E. I just realized that I have to go drop off some money in my bank account as well, so I'm gonna go ahead and do that. And we gotta get a wash. Look, a bird left a surprise. So gas is at $3.99. Gas prices $3.99, $4.19 for 29. So expensive. So fueling up, the needle is actually going up. I was thinking of buying something at AM/PM, but I was like, you know what, kind of in a hurry, so yeah, let's go ahead and go pick up this adhesive tape. So we picked up the application tape. I am 22 minutes away from home, and there's a big trailer in front of me. But yeah, the drive shouldn't be too bad. I'm finally home, and right now I'm just checking my Facebook Messenger because I actually have a post on the Facebook Marketplace and letting people know that I can do custom decals. Right now, I'm just going through every message right now, double checking to see if I missed any. The only bad thing about it is, like, once you reply to a customer, a potential customer, I should say, they usually take a while to respond because either they're at work or they just want to know if you have that sticker or whatever available. And if you tell them you do, sometimes they won't reply until like a couple hours and stuff. So right now I have I've gone through all the messages. I went ahead and messaged everyone, so I do have time to wash my car. But before I wash my car, I'm actually gonna go grab something to eat, and then we'll go ahead and wash my car because we have this super sick big banner that we have to put, which is, let me grab this real quick, which is right here. We're gonna go ahead and put this on the windshield of the 240, and we're good to go. So we do have the stickers available at the shop. You can purchase it in black or in holographic and white. I don't have the white one right now, but all the stickers are actually going to be this size. This was just a test print that I just wanted to do, but if you guys want it, or if you guys want it for free, I'll probably do a giveaway for like 2 custom decals. But yeah, I had to get different adhesive transfer paper because the one that I actually purchased, which is this one right here, this one was only good for like the Oracle, which is this type of decal. So I know for sure it's Oracle vinyl because it has the blue in the back. This transfer paper works really well with Oracle. For Caesar Easy Weed, I actually had to get the actual Caesar Easy Weed application tape. That's where I went to go pick it up because that other tape wasn't working on the Caesar Easy Weed vinyl, and every time you peeled it, it wouldn't come out. So but now, like, if you peel this, the entire vinyl comes out. And if you guys can tell, like, I was messing with it and you can see like some of the paper coming off with the other tape. Let's see if I can do this with one hand. But yeah, you can see the backing of the paper that was happening with the other tape. But got that all figured out, and this is a 5-yard roll, so we're pretty much good to go on making some decals. I just finished doing an order real quick. I got a message from Facebook, and the person just pretty much told me if I can make 2 decals that were the 6x2, so the width was 6 inches and the height was 2 inches. He just wanted his Instagram name, so he wanted the symbol of the Instagram, the symbol @ and his name. He wanted it holographic, so I went ahead and did that. Sent him photos, letting him know that, like, hey, your stickers are ready. I sold it to him for $5, so it was 2 6-inch decals for $5. He also wanted a banner, but he really didn't tell me, or he didn't really confirm with me. I think he just wanted to get these decals first because he wanted to see how the quality is, which is understandable because, again, when you're buying something from another person, it's the best thing is to buy something small, see how the quality is, and if you do like the quality, then you can buy, you know, a bulk order or a bigger sticker or whatever. So hopefully he does like these stickers and or decals, and he actually orders a banner because the banner does cost a lot, and he wants it 2 feet, which is pretty big, and it's gonna require me to use a lot more vinyl and a lot more transfer tape. But for that specific size, I could charge around like $20 to $25, depending what he wants on the banner. We're still answering some Facebook messages, so I'm still going one by one, letting people know if they want a order. Just wanted to confirm. So but I do have time since I finished with the decal. Let's go ahead and wash the car. It's such a nice day outside. It's like cold, but not too cold, and it's not hot. It's just like, it's like the right temperature. Just like when you're, you know, taking a shower and you're like, I want the water to be cold but not too cold, and then I want the water to be hot but not too hot. So yeah, I just went to grab my bucket. My bucket's right here. I gotta find the actual soap. I don't know if I do have some. If not, I'm gonna have to go to the store, go pick some up. But yeah, look, check this out. You guys want to see how dirty this is? Look, you guys can see it in camera. Look, yes sir. Yeah, I haven't washed this car for like 3 weeks, so it's time to wash it. And of course, we're gonna add our initiate banner right here. That's also available at the shop, link in the description down below, so go cop one. I actually had enough soap in order to wash the car. It was actually like the turtle wax green bottle one. The soap was like colored green, but yeah, we should be able to wash the car. I'm actually gonna bring the water hose over here so I can rinse it out first, and then I'll go over with my hand to wash everything out. So yeah, let's get started. I don't want to bore you guys just me washing the car because I know that can get boring, so I just did a little time lapse. But I came to get the decal. This is the banner I'll be putting on my windshield, and I actually have masking tape as well so I can keep it in place. So let's go ahead and head to the car. And I already washed the windshield, so all I have to do is just apply it and squeegee it out. So let's go ahead and do that. I went ahead and grabbed my other banner because, again, remember how the tape I was telling you, well, it didn't really stick on. So this one is a lot better, so we're gonna go ahead and stick it onto the windshield and we'll see how it looks. So I went ahead and mocked it up, and this is a lot easier if you have another person, but I'm doing this by myself, and plus it's practice as well. So now what I can do is grab my little squeegee, which is not a squeegee, it's just a card. Go ahead and so finally put my banner on, and it's looking dope. Doing it by myself was a challenge, but I was able to do it. There is kind of like a little bit of imperfections, but practice makes perfect. Like there's like a little air bubble right there, but it's not too bad. Plus it's white, so it's not that really noticeable unless you're just like, yo man, look, there's a freaking crease mark right there, and there's something right there. Unless you're one of those guys, and yeah, you probably you guys will probably get upset. But doing this by myself wasn't too bad. Again, I suggest if you guys have an extra person or an extra set of hands or someone that can help you put like big decals like that, it'll be a lot easier. But little by little, we're getting there. These decals are available at the shop right now. I only have 10, so if you guys want to buy one, I suggest you cop them now before they're gone. But yeah, looking dope. So putting the decal actually took a lot longer than I thought. I just had to like play around with it. Again, if I had an extra set of hands, it would have been a lot easier. I would have done it like in 5 minutes, boom. But it's just good experience if you're, just want to learn how to put decals on. It's some good practice. But right now, I actually have to go drop off these stickers. I have to go meet up with this person who ordered these Instagram stickers, and I sold something on OfferUp or something, just lights. Hopefully you guys enjoyed the video. Please like, share, and subscribe. And if you guys have any questions, go ahead and comment down below. But this video was actually different. This video was more of a vlogging type of video, just showing you guys what I do throughout the day. But yeah, my phone's vibrating because I'm getting a bunch of Facebook messages for decals. So I'll see you guys on the next video. Later, guys.